amazing Christmas week. Thank you. Soxel starting to move to the upside. Soxel for small and mid-size accounts. SOXL. Watch this double top as soon as we get past this 20, 28, 28. As soon as we get up here. So I'd say 28.20. Start keeping an eye on Soxel. SOXL. See if we can break that level. SPY and ES futures to the upside. Apple to the upside on its first 2-minute EWO. If you guys are in the 2-minute EWO, you're either listening to the live Apple chat over there with David, making sure everything is cool, or listen to the sound of my voice. There goes Soxel breaking that 28.20 as long as it stays now above 28.30. So I would have 28.30 on your marks. That is for Soxel continuing to run 4.5% now. Make sure you guys have your stop losses in place. If any of you guys are trading these extra volatile stocks are going to run up and start halting, make sure you guys have your stops in before the halt, and do not try to mess with a stop loss inside of the halt. You have to wait till the market is open. This is why every day, make sure you guys at the time you click buy, you have a stop loss already in place. Thank you. AVGO, watch for AVGO above 227. AVGO, it must break and hold above 227 for larger accounts. SPY coming up on resistance around 592. Watch for resistance on SPY around 592. Go ahead.
Hot stock pick CYN testing VWAP.
Thank you, CYN. Yeah, I don't like CYN, partner, until you get above 80 cents. But great call out over there. Is that JP? Nice job. Tilray was getting a little bit of a pop. Tilray Brands, TLRY. Again, wait for this to break that $1.41 before you guys are looking at any entries. Make sure you guys are collecting on your profits today, please. On pullbacks, any pullbacks, make sure you shed 50, 20, 20, 10%. Thank you. AMD ripping to the upside.
Google double top.
Thank you. AMD, as long as it stays above 121.50. AMD. Beautiful. You guys are in a 6-star trade on AMD. 6-star trade on AMD. Remember, just because I say it's a 6-star does not mean it's going to stay there. Right now it is, though. I love it above 121.50.
NVIDIA double top.
Thank you. All right, let's see. Apple pulling back now at 253.90, trying to find support at 254. That's on Apple. If you guys have the 2-minute EWO indicators, if you're a VIP member or futures, you know exactly what I'm talking about. That's our chart showing you right there. This is down here on support. Tesla had a bounce at 425.70. Tesla bounced at 425.70. You guys let me know when AMD breaks. Never mind, it just did. AMD, new high a day. AMD, new high a day. Tesla support at 426.50. You can see it right here. Right here. That was the post market on Friday. That's why you guys are getting support at 426.50 so far. If it breaks down on that support, you guys are going to get a move down here to 422.50 next. If you guys get a bounce, you want to make sure you guys are clearing this 429.50 to the upside. Tesla, nice support, 426.50. Getting a big bounce. Watch for the double tops. You got a first one at 434 and 436.50. You guys are watching for those double top pullbacks. Be careful. A lot of momentum moving into Tesla here now. A lot of momentum moving into Tesla here now. Thank you guys. Do me a favor if you guys are watching over there on TikTok. Double tap those screens. Make sure you click share. I think we are still the only stock market education company in the world that has a live open microphone. How is that still possible? They have seen what we have done for people. It's crazy. We trade stocks, options, and futures here at American Dream Trading. So if you guys are interested we do have a 7-day trial. You guys can go to our website, americandreamtrading.com. Get signed up. Check out the trial. With the regular paid membership, by the way, it's $200 a month. With the regular paid membership, you guys will get access to our Zoom training starting at 8:45 all the way to 4 p.m. every single day that the market is open. When you're ready to step it up, with a VIP membership, you will get daily masterclass training with me starting at around 8 o'clock. We will train or trade or both. You're also going to get early pre-market access starting at 4 a.m. Eastern. You guys will be in there with other moderators and some of our millionaires. You guys will also get access to the VIP lounge. All the workshop classes will be free and they were recorded so you can catch all the previous ones. VIP training videos only to you, and our trading view indicators, which you guys can use our overlay. You just have to have a trading view subscription, which is about $15 to $17. When you're ready to step it up, if you're a VIP and only if, you can then get a VIP gold add-on, which by the way, right now is half off, $250 a month. If you just want to add on the VIP gold add-on, you're going to get all the mastermind classes for free, 1 hour of tech support where we can remote in and help you get your charts and everything set up. That is not to discuss your accounts, financial information. That's not a one-on-one. You guys are also going to get weekend training every Saturday. We've been doing that at 11 o'clock. The VIP Gold Lounge access, the VIP Gold Priority Help Desk support, the brand new news service, and you guys are going to get the breakout rooms every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, again, to work with our moderators and some of our other millionaires. When they're in the room, they're busy, but when they're in there, you guys can also ask them questions. I think we are still the only stock market education company in the world that has a live open microphone. How is that still possible? They have seen what we have done for people. It's crazy. You guys will be able to ask questions all day with people that have literally made millions of dollars in this room. Who else has that? Nobody. Sale, 6 months VIP membership. You get 6 months of VIP gold for free for the first 6 months.
Welcome to the Aftermarket. American Dream Trading. You have entered the Aftermarket. AmericanDreamTrading.com. Welcome. You are now in the Aftermarket.
Welcome to the Aftermarket, American Dream Trading's the Aftermarket live chat and watch party. I'm your host, J&J Video Reacts, aka Dawn, or is it Dawn, aka J&J Video Reacts? And this is a stream that's been created by traders for other traders to just kick back, relax, decompress after the market. A lot of activity in the market today. Hopefully everybody made some money. I know I did. It's always great when you can get in there and make a little cash for the stash. Merry Christmas, everybody. It is Christmas time. Actually, you know what? Hold on. Let me, because I got some. Hold on. Let's see. Where are you? I got my little, what the hell? Where are they? Don't tell me that didn't work. I had some lights. Man. Hold on one second. Let me see if I can. Maybe they didn't upload. All right, let's see what we got here. All right. Let's see if they'll load up for us. I'm trying to get some Christmas lights, man. In the meantime, there are 3 links located down there that I typed in through the restream. I know it looks like Coach is down there, but that was actually me typing in through the restream directly. It is none other than AmericanDreamTrading.com, which is where you guys will go to get signed up for an American Dream Trading membership if you would like to become a member. The second link is the link to come join the panel. Come on up here, share your story. Let us know how much money you made today or how much money you lost. Let us know which one of Coach's rules you broke or how many of them you followed. Third link is yours truly's tip jar, and it is not mandatory, but it is much appreciated for anybody that throws a little something in there for the holidays. Let's see if this is a working. Well, it's not that important. What happened? It didn't work. I uploaded it and it didn't work. And it's still loading. Don't you love technology? Let's see who's down there. Who's down there? I saw Hudson Miller. I saw James L down there. What's up, people? I see you guys coming in. James L. You know what? Hold on. Let me get out of that. Because that is going to that's going to have some feedback. And it's not going to be pretty. You guys ready for the holidays or what? Shout out to Mark McSee with his Santa hat. Did you guys see Mark today? That was amazing with the Santa hat. I have one too, but it has Mickey Mouse ears and it just is weird. And the ball comes here and it doesn't. But thanks, Jen, for buying it. It's cute. She's wearing hers. But I couldn't do the Mickey Mouse ears. Kyle's down there. Welcome, Kyle. What's up, honey? Hudson Miller's down there. What's happening? And yes, I did swipe that from Coach's Live this morning. I've been playing a little bit of his live stream during the opening of the aftermarket, just so that people know, hey, listen, 9 o'clock, it is on and popping. Our coach, 32-year stock market veteran Chad W. Christian, who has literally taught all of us how to get in trades, out of trades, and everything in between, is on 9 a.m. every weekday. So you guys are missing out if you are not catching him live. He gives you free training. And he also interacts with us. He's the only coach that has an open mic where we can actually ask him questions. He does not prioritize his own trading. He trains us and prioritizes the way that we trade so that we're making money. That's a real trainer. That's a mentor. Okay, not me watching you make all the money. I want to know what you're doing. I'm not going to just chase a call out. Oh, wow, he's trading such and such. And if I don't know how to trade, I'm just going to go pull up a ticker and do what? Lose money.
There's nothing wrong with these hats.
Oh, that's cute. Hold on. Did you get in there?
Did I get in? I don't know how to. Where's the screen? Oh. Merry Christmas.
She's got her ears.
I didn't want ears.
She didn't want ears, but she couldn't help it. You know what I mean? They were on there. I was gonna cut mine off, but I'm like, I'm not doing that. You know what I mean? So Bucko 504, what's up? Maria, I see you, honey. Welcome. Diesel Dan's down there. American Dream Trading runs on Diesel Dan. Merry Christmas to you, Vegan Knowledge and Diesel Dan. Thank you, guys. All right. I know Eminem's awesome, and she needs to be a moderator. What's happening? What's going on with that? Okay, so the topic of today is the Santa Rally myth, the legend, the thing itself, right? But before we go into that, don't forget, guys, we are trying to get Coach to 15,000 subscribers. Now, we had a nice big jump over the weekend, probably because Coach got on live this weekend. That was awesome, Coach, because that got us 50 new fresh subscribers. Way to go. It was 12/2/24 Friday when we closed out, and we have managed to snag 50 new subscribers over the weekend. Thank you guys for subscribing. We appreciate you so much. Do me a favor and share out the content, and go ahead and let's see if we can't get Coach to 15,000 by New Year's Eve. We can do it. We can do it, damn it. Get him to 15,000 subscribers. We are well on our way to that number. I'm excited for the new year. How about you guys? I made about $130 today. I'll take it. I will take it. I'll go ahead and give myself the bell on that, Maria, because I know you're going to say, Dawn, give yourself the bell. But yeah, it's really, really fun with these trades. I'm telling you, when you finally hone in after, but you know what? I'm going to stop saying that because it doesn't matter how long it took. Okay? It doesn't matter how long it took. The point is, it's being understood now. Moving forward. You know what I mean? None of us are 6 feet under, so it's never too late for you to get your stuff together and trade. So if it's taking you a little bit longer than it took some other people to catch on, that's okay, because every person that walks this earth has their own journey to walk, has their own time pattern to walk. So things are going to happen for you in different time frames. Now, it all also depends on how good you are at manifesting. If it's something that you really truly want. See, me, I know that I am destined to be a millionaire. I just know that. I just know it because it's already inside of me. So if it's inside, I know it's only a matter of time before it comes to fruition on the outside. And one of the nails in the coffin, if you will, was when I met Coach. When I met Coach, I knew that he was the type of person that could train me to be the millionaire that I needed to be from the inside out. So it's cool that he teaches us how to make money, but you know what? He also teaches us how to be good people. People helping people. That's one of the things, one of our mantras over here at American Dream Trading. So if you know somebody that could use an extra income, that is looking to retire, because he's retired over 100 people with his teachings, right? He's created over 11, count them, 11, 10, 1 millionaires from people who knew nothing about trading. 11 millionaires. So, and at the time when I first came, it was maybe 4, 5, 6. So what does that tell you? And we got another one well on his way to trading $1 million just inside of December alone. So I'm telling you, there are big things happening over here in America. We just started the futures division, and Mark McSee is over there live every day from 2 to 4. I started giggling thinking about Mark with that hat. Mark wears hats well. I'll give him that. Did you guys see him on the Aftermarket with the fedora? Dude was looking like Indiana Jones. I'm like, wow, Mark, you go, boy. You go. But yeah, so check him out from 2 to 4 every day, futures. And if you have not joined the futures membership, click that link that is right down there in the not only description of the video, but in the live chat, AmericanDreamTrading.com, and get your futures membership. That way you can join him in the back end from 12 to 4. You don't have to wait till 2 o'clock. You can get the in-depth training. Any paid members get in-depth training. Now, if you're a free member, you're still going to get some really fantastic training. You got a plethora, yes, I did say plethora, of YouTube videos here on the YouTube channel. But the ones with the real golden nuggets are the ones that are on demand, and that is on our Discord in our paid membership section. So You make sure you click AmericanDreamTrading.com, get yourself signed up with any one of the memberships. Right now, I believe they still have the VIP membership running, which is the VIP that includes trading view indicators, hot stock picks, pre-market setup, one-on-one type style trading with an open mic with coach, right? And then you're going to also get 6 months of the gold upgrade for free. That is a $1,500 value. So each of those is $1,500. You're going to get the gold upgrade absolutely free. And that adds in to all the other stuff, weekend training, daily breakout rooms every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. It includes mastermind classes. I mean, come on. And not to mention the weekend training with David, which was so awesome this past weekend. Shout out to David Giannis. He is our moderator that does all of our one-on-one training. You can actually get a one-on-one with a trainer if you're having problems trading. So check David out. You know what? Let's see. I don't think. Nope. It didn't work. Oh, well. My Christmas lights didn't work. I had a green screen Christmas light that I had set up and Restream just would not take it in. So the Santa rally. Anybody take advantage of the Santa rally today? I did. Google, IWM, you name it. Let's look at a couple of these things. And let's get some people up here on the panel. Remember, we are in phantom mode. You do not need your cameras to come up here and talk on the panel. So come on up here, share the panel with me, and let's see who made some money today. Let's, what are we doing here? Where is everybody? Everybody out Christmas shopping? Probably. We were doing some of that this afternoon. We got to go out after this is over. Because to get a couple more things. Hudson, I'll never quit. I know that's right, Hudson. I've seen what this group and coach can do. Yes, for your lives. I will retire and trade full time. It's just a matter of when. Absolutely, brother. I truly believe that. I truly, truly believe that. I know it in my heart. You're gonna do very well. You're already doing well. Oh my God. What? Old school. Old school. What is up, bruh? Old school said ADT. Merry Christmas. We miss you too. Yo! Where have you been? He said, yo, Dawn. These two hurricanes in Florida has got me busy. I know that's right. But I'm back. Way to go. He said, yo, Diesel. He said, I see you, Vegan Knowledge. Wow. Old school. I'm going to tell you something about old school. When I was doing my 90-day fiance live streams, before I started doing the aftermarket, he was coming on there supporting a sister. He was coming on there and getting in the comments section. And, we talked this up, old school. I said, one day I'm going to be doing ADT streams. Watch. We'll be talking about stocks and trading, and the aftermarket was born shortly after that. So, yeah, way to go, man. Way to go. Get those people helped out down there. You be careful, too. Take care of yourself, too. But it is good to see you. Old school is part of Funhouse Wolfpack. I used to drop them a video every now and then. I'd throw something up in the fun house. I haven't done that in a while. I am putting on my editing hat first of the year. Trust and believe that. So you guys are going to be like, oh, damn, she made another one? Yes. I've been getting my ducks in a row back here. I don't know what's going on with my video leap. I've been having issues with it. That's one of the reasons I haven't been doing it. But I'm pissed off because they took a feature away and I'm paying for that membership. So, or that subscription. So I'm in, kind of in a dispute with Coach. What's going on with these platforms, man? You get in there and they suck you in and things are all hunky dory and they just switch shit up, take things away, move things around. What is going on? But they removed a feature that I used quite a bit on there in my videos, and I did not like that. So, it kind of threw me off a little bit. I'm like, now it's gonna take me extra long because I gotta go on YouTube and get green screens off of there of stuff that I want. When they had a whole stock section of stuff, But it's all good. We're going to make it happen. We're going to move forward no matter what. So either way, I did download Filmora, so we'll check that out. But yeah, the Santa rally. Oh, that's what I'm supposed to be doing. Sharing my screen. Hold on. Where's Trading View? All right, let's pull up Trading View here. There it is. Okay. Which one is this? Is it still running? No. DRCT. Remember DRCT? Actually, let's pull up Weeble. See what old Weeble's doing. Let's go down here. Oh, gotta sign back in. Yeah, man, made a couple dollars this morning on Relly. Relly paid me like twice this morning. RELI. I wonder if that's running right now. Hold on, let's check out Relly. What's Relly doing? So. All right, so let's top gainers, aftermarket. There we go. TOVX. Let's see what that thing is doing. The Santa rally affected, it's kind of stagnated. Looks like in the aftermarket it ran. Who got paid on TOVX? Look at that. So I know some of you got paid on that because that happened right as soon as the aftermarket hit. Check out Google today, man. Google, look, I owe Palm. Look at that. Hello. Hello, mama. Yes. You see this here? Yay. Got some. And right next to it, IWM. Shout out to DJ Vinny. Woohoo! See this? Yeah. Got some. I'm loving. Now, the weird thing is I went in here on a 2-minute EWO and I finished it out on the 1 minute. But as soon as I got in here, I did that to keep me in the trade. And then as soon as this started happening, I got out. Yep. Got out. What else do we have? NCRA. Let's check out NCRA. Let's squeeze that in. I don't see any candles on this thing. That's weird. Oh, there we go. That ran up in overtime too, but now it's kind of died out here a little bit. Could it get any flatter? Jeez. Cheese and crackers. Looks like a... The hell is that? What is that thing that, like... Yeah. Almost looks like a swordfish beginning or something. I don't know. See, wow, CREV, where's that been? We haven't had that come up in a while. I remember Crev, right there in the crevice. CREV. All right, CREV, what are you up to? We're on the 1 minute, right? CREV looks like it's bouncing off of the 9. This isn't a good spot. It's above. Actually, VWAP is right here, so it has pulled above VWAP. It's above the 200, which is right here. It's above the 9, and look at what we've got here. All right, so let's do it. Let's pull in the L2 here, because I literally cannot and will not trade without an L2. All right. What the hell? Why does that keep doing that? All right, there we go. Let's X that out. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Look at that. Exactly what we thought. All right, so and that's Krev, right? All right, so it's still above the 9. That still looks good. And it's got a wick on the bottom. What do we got going on over here? We got some activity on Krev. All right, what is that level right there? Because I don't like that, because that's probably why it had that pullback. It's got a little pullback up here. Let me get my camera. All right, so it's got support at 577. The heaviest support is at 577. Now it's 589. They're moving support up. That's a good thing. I don't like how it's just kind of moving sideways here. See here, it had some good momentum. Now the pattern has changed, just going this way. So it definitely needs to bounce and continue up here. Otherwise, this is not good. Now, we know where Coach's out would be. My out would be, there's too much real estate between the 9 and the 21 here. I would not want to give all that up. Is there anybody down there in the chat in this stock right now? Josh Lee is in the house. What's up, Josh? Oh, we got a green light. We got a green light. Check it. It's still above the 9, so it's still bullish. It's just doing something different. It's going sideways. Yes, hopefully we get the momentum here. This should continue to the upside. Stay down there. Oh, look at it. Anybody in Crev? Anybody in Crev? Because this is a 6-star trade, ladies and gentlemen. It's all the indicators are where they need to be. If you're not in it, it's very inexpensive. It's up to 670. It just broke that double top. Well, not a double top. Technically, up here would be sort of a double top. It's got a wick where it hit this area before. So, oh, it's about to pass it. It's about to break it. Break it, break it, break it, Crev. Break it. Break it. Come on. Oh, there we go. Hopefully you guys are in this and in the money in your paper trading accounts. Remember, none of us are financial or tax advisors. All that you see is for training and educational purposes only. I hope somebody is in their paper trading accounts in CREV. It is off to the races. We spotted this trade. It was go from right to damn near when we got in it. Come on, baby. Let's go. Woo! She is off to the races. Anybody down there making paper money? She has got the green light. Got support moving up at 805. All right. Support at 760. They're just pullbacks, though. Don't get scared. Keep going. That's right. You're above the 9. You guys in this? Come on now. Please tell me who's making some money. Please tell me who's making some money down there. Woo! JJ, this is how it's done, baby. This is how it's done. We spot these runners. This is what we do at 4 o'clock in the morning at American Dream Trading. And in the after. Good God almighty, man. Woo! Let's go! Please tell me somebody is in this trade with your paper trading account. Hello, Pebbles, is that you?
I'm in the trade.
All right. All right, you got a piece too, Jay? Good. Yes.
Yep.
Oh, my God. What do you mean you wish you were in it, Maria? Come on, bro. Come on, girl. Oh, this thing is beautiful. Pebbles, you still in it?
Yes, I am.
Not saying get out. There's nothing saying to get out of this trade right now. Look at this. Look how the 9 is separating from the 21 right here. Look how it's pointed upward. Now, you got a huge wick up here. Be careful. And we got support coming right up on us here. But it's gone. All right, we got a wall. Where's that wall? This thing's gone up $2 or $3 since we've been in it. All right. It's gone up more than that, actually. Heavy wall. Wow. Heavy wall all the way at what? at 12.57, guys. And it's sitting at 9.80 right now. It's still above the 9, so don't get scared. Although this is pullback city right here. This is where you want to shed some right here. It's where you want to shed some, because you don't want this thing knife dropping on you. I don't see anything that would cause it to knife drop, because support is right there at 960. So yeah, it's going to have a couple of pullbacks in here, especially after that run. Come on. And it's retesting that level. So we should get a nice bounce here off the, yep. Let's get a nice bounce off the 9. There we go. There we go. Because it's got too much momentum to be dropping, and I don't see any support levels down at the bottom. 917 is a support level. Got a small wall. They pulled that out. Small wall at 980. Let's put that in there. $980's right there. Come on, break through this wall. I got 2 of them up there. We don't need 2 of them. We're losing volume. Let me check on Weeble.
I pulled out.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, Pebbles. You didn't shed?
I did shed.
Okay, good. So you're still in it.
No, I shed it all.
Well, that's not shedding. Shedding, you leave something in there. Remember 50, 20, 20, 10? Look at this thing. You don't want to get all the way out because it's still way above the 9. That's where you shed, man. This thing's not done. You just take some off the table. That's all.
I'm still in the learning mode.
It's all right. That's what I was about. I was about to stroke you. About to say it's okay. You're still training. So am I. We're all still learning. So at least you took your green, and we're gonna give you the bell for that, Pebbles. Good job, man. Good job. Take your green. Listen, I will never be mad at somebody for taking green, because at the end of the day, you're green. That's the ultimate goal, isn't it?
Absolutely.
So, yeah, you're good. Yeah, this thing, let me look at how much volume this thing's got coming in here. Good trade. How'd you do on that one?
Well, I got in late. I got in at 687, and I got out at 980.
Wow. So you made like $3. How many shares?
10.
Nice. Quick $30 for him. Quick $30. Yeah. Way to go. That's how you get it done, Pebbles. That's how you get it. You just scalped, my friend. Look out. You're going to become a nice scalper over here. 998 is our wall. 998. I'm going to move this. So you would want to wait until the break of 998, which is right here. So yeah, you want to wait for a break and hold of this, because this, it's losing momentum. It's consolidating a little bit too long here. And the 9 is pointed this way instead of up like it should be. It's still up though. It's still up. Still a good trade. But if this thing, I don't like it when it sits on the 9 like that because it tends to break through, and then you can get a knife drop. And yes, look, there's a setup for a knife drop right there. When they start putting in magnets down at the bottom of the bid, beware, because that thing will pull this thing right on down. So if you're in it, be careful. Let's get a close-up on it. Yeah, be careful. What you want is for them to move that support up here somewhere so that it can continue over to the ask side. But when they start pulling it down here and you see this moving up, remember what I told you, when this moves up, that means it's, you know what I mean? So all right, let's keep it moving. Let's break through, break through, break through. Yeah, I wouldn't enter this yet. You don't want to enter this until it cracks that level right there.
All right.
Are you going to get up there for us, Krav? Come on, Krav. Man, that look at these candles, Pebble. What does that tell you?
It tells me it's trading sideways.
Yeah. What does it tell you about the volume? Still 2.25 million people in here. What is the free float on this thing? No wonder it's moving like that. The free float's only 1.52 million. So it's got a low free float, and it's got 2 million in volume. That's why it did all of this. Volume is still coming in, though. It's trickling in. It's not pouring in. It's trickling in. What is that support level down there? This is what we call a Santa rally. A lot of these hot stock picks.
What, 907?
Yeah. 260 is where they've got 2,000 shares down at $2.60. And right now it is sitting at $9.61. So it's got too much momentum to go down there, but I don't like the way that these candles are flattening out. To me, that says it's losing volume. It's trickling in way too slow. And you know, retail sellers get nervous when it looks like this and they start dumping. So you don't want to be in that windfall when that happens. Yeah, see? 2 red back to back, low volume, be careful. That's a perfect setup for it to knife drop right down to that smaller. Pump and dump, baby. Pump and dump.
Yeah. Looks like it's going to go down.
Be careful. It's now starting to get a rounded top. See how this is starting to bend, Pebbles?
Yep.
It's getting that round.
921 are getting close now.
Yep, it's getting that rounded top up. Be careful. Anyone who is watching, be careful, because that's a setup for and you got that heavy level down there, and they have not pulled that out. And it's moving up. So it's moving up. It's moving up. This thing's getting ready to knife drop. I just want to watch it to see if my L2 training is accurate.
Well, I have no L2 training.
Yes, you do. I don't want to hear that. Yes, you do. You're in there in the mornings with us. You hear it.
But it moves so fast that my mind can't grasp where I am.
Okay. I get that. But, you know, it's things that you can look at like at a broad scope and pick up on. Like when I tell you about how the green side, instead of looking at each number, look at the movement. See how the green is just moving up? You see that?
Um,
On my screen on the L2?
green where?
You know what? Wait a minute. Hold on. Hold on one second. Let me switch out what I'm sharing here. Share screen. Right here. Okay, there we go. All right, there's my L2 right there. You see it?
Yeah.
Watch this green. See how it's moving up? You'll start to see it move up a little bit more.
The 2000 there?
Uh-huh. 2,000 shares sitting there at $2.60, and they've backed it up with another 1,200 at $1.40. So somebody is trying to bring this down. These are what you call magnets.
Okay.
Right? When you see a heavy support area down there where the line's all the way across, those are magnets that are dragging it down to that price.
Okay.
See how this doesn't go all the way across?
Yeah.
That's a pullback. But this one goes all the way across, doesn't it? There's a lot more shares in this one than it is here. This one's more powerful. So that means if the volume drops out, guess where it's going to go? Right here.
Oh.
Right? And the more this moves up, the more these candles are going to go to the downside. Because when you think about it, Pebbles, logically, right? The object of a stock, how do you make a successful trade? You buy low and sell high, right?
Yeah.
So all of these buyers, they don't want to pay these prices. Look how much money that is. They want to bring it down.
Right.
So that's why they're hopping all on the bandwagon down at this low price. That's why there's so many down there.
Oh, okay.
That's how that works. So when you see those big long lines, that means everybody's jumping in on a low price to try to make this price up here come down here.
Oh, okay.
You see, nobody's trying to buy it up here. Do you see any lines up there?
Nope.
Nope. They don't want to pay that. They want it to come down here. Everybody, these lines represent buyers, and they're all piled in down here, trying to pull it down. And look, it's working, right? It's working because look what's happening to these candles.
Right.
That's how the L2 helps you. You look at it and you see stuff like that, and it shows you what these candles are going to do.
Okay.
Now, the opposite is true on the other side. If you start seeing a lot of red go up, the sellers want to sell high, right?
Right.
That means it's going to be going up. If you see that same thing happening on the red side, that means it's going up.
Okay.
So that's something at a glance you can do. Not so much detail that, you know what I mean? All right. So
I have a
we
better
have,
angle now.
yeah. Cool. That works. All right, so we got a support level that jumped in up here to keep it from knife dropping. And that is 805. It's starting to move up. It's starting to get a little momentum again. Yep. It flipped the script. So now these levels aren't as prevalent because now we've got a little bit more volume on the upside here. We've got buyers that are now willing to pay more money again. Got support at 807. It's big spreads here though. And they're trying to bring it up to $10. You see this, remember what I told you on the green side?
Yeah.
Okay, you see this area here on the
Yeah.
red side?
Yeah.
He's trying to bring it up to $10. See?
Right.
And as long as he's got some biters up here instead of down here, see, you got some people up here now. They're like, okay, I forget all that. I'll pay a little bit more. Look at them coming in up here. You see it?
Yeah.
And look what's happening. It's starting to at least move back above the 9. But these guys are fighting. They're still down there, and their level is stronger because it's more shares. Look, that's
Right.
what this bar being all the way across represents. So while these guys are piling in, it's still not enough to offset these guys. You need a lot more volume up here. But if you see that happen, that means the price will start going back up. And it's starting to happen. Yep, look at that. Like clockwork. Got a lot more volume up here at a higher price now. And here comes the white candle. So you see, at a glance, I'm not looking at specific detail. I'm just seeing overall how the colors are acting. You see that?
Yeah. Yeah.
So after a while of screen time, oh, look, we got a bigger level up here.
Yeah.
I just look at the overall picture. I don't get too hung up on the details. I'll hone in on that later on. So I learned to watch the movement of this green and red side, and that taught me what the behavior was telling us. You know what I mean? I think we got somebody else in here with us, Pebbles. Hold on one second.
Yeah, I'm gonna take a picture of this thing.
Yeah, do that. Do you know how to screen record?
No.
Okay. Do you have a Windows or Mac?
Mac.
Okay, you should have QuickTime on there.
QuickTime.
You come in the mornings. We'll show you in the morning.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll show you in the morning how to screen record that.
All right.
I thought I heard somebody coming with us. Yeah, we got this person in the middle here. Got 1150 at my phone is so blurry. What is going on? There we go.
1132 at 8.
1132 at $8. But that's still keeping it level here. So it's a nice little run. But that's some quick L2 training. This guy here, though, I can tell you now, is kind of putting a oh, okay, I thought he moved it out. He's keeping it from knife dropping because trust you me, had this not come in here, it would have dropped straight down. That's where it was headed.
Right.
And it still could be headed there because there's not a lot of volume coming in it.
Right.
But this guy jumped in the way and said, no, I don't want it dropping all the way down there. Hey, hold
Down
on.
now.
Yeah.
10.
He's gone. It's coming down, and so are the candles. He might give up and go down there and join them. Because there's nobody pushing it up.
Right.
There's nobody up here with him. Broken equilibrium, what's going on? Yeah, bids are driving up. Yeah, well, not enough though, man. It looked like it was starting to get some momentum up here, which would have driven the stock back up because it would have been buyer volume at a higher price, which would have pushed the stock up. But they gave up. Now they're moving down to where these guys are. They're like, all right, well, let's try this. Yeah, it's got no volume in it. It's flat. These candles are almost non-existent. So it's gonna knife drop here. If it doesn't get some volume, it's gonna go right on down here. Boss of the South, what up? What up with you? DRCT, what is it doing? It's back doing something? Man, this is the stock that just won't die. Let's put this one up. Okay, so here's a quick little lesson again, right? See this red side over here, Pebbles?
Yeah.
I just noticed it was moving up, and so are the candles. If you start to see that, it's the exact same thing we talked about over here when it was down there, right?
Mm-hmm.
But now you got the higher price sellers that want to get more money for this thing. As you see this move up, they're winning. Oh, shit. Woohoo! What happened there? Well, I'll tell you one thing. There's no support over here, that's for sure. So that'll drop a stock real quick. Look at that. There is no support over here. You see what I'm talking about? And there's some little small levels, but remember those bars we were talking about?
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't really see a lot of that. Look what's happening with that. It's got to be something in here to catch it. If there's nothing to catch it, it's going to drop. And that's exactly what this thing's doing.
At
Man, this-
678, it's 1,000. Is that 1,000 shares there?
All right, so let's see. It's sitting at 652 now. And yep. There's 1,000 shares. Let's see. It's got some up there. 918 at 657. 850 at 650. 500 at 635. So it's got a little bit of support coming in up there, but that's not really enough to keep this thing from dropping.
Okay.
Yeah, it needs to be heavy support up here in order to keep this thing from dropping out. Yeah, needs to be heavy. Wow, look at this thing. It is just straight going to Hades.
She's moving up now. Candles.
Huh? Right here? What are you looking at?
Oh, you have a different chart.
Oh, yeah. I'm looking at DRCT. I was just looking at
Yeah,
DC.
because Krev is moving up.
Is it? Yeah, let's get back over to Krev. Because this is some bullshit here. All right. Let's go. Put her back up on the L2-age. All right. So, yeah, we got some volume up here. We got some sellers up here. We've got that big level up here. They're trying to get more for it. And if you see this break down, it will continue to the upside. All it needs to do is break this down. But we just need buyers over here that's willing to pay that. And right now, this area is a little bit more prevalent. That's why it's coming down. Yep. It's choppy. This is choppy right now. So that was pretty exciting right there. We had a little bit of a Santa rally. You know, the Santa rally is what happens towards the end of the year when there's low volume and high volatility in these stocks. You'll get a lot of these smaller stocks that will tend to run. And, you know, you take them for what you can get out of them. And then, you know, go ahead and get on out of them before they take what you got. Just like Pebbles did tonight. He snatched $30 from Krev. That was beautiful. All right, I'm going to go ahead and cut out here. Pebbles, thanks for coming on up and hanging out with me, buddy.
It's okay. We'll see you in the morning.
Yeah, and hopefully you got something out of that, huh?
I'm taking a lot of notes.
Good.
Thank you again.
You're welcome, sir. You're welcome. Everybody down there in the chat, thank you for coming. Thank you for being here. Don't forget to sign up with American Dream Trading by clicking that AmericanDreamTrading.com link. It is right down there in the chat, also in the description of the video. If you guys feel like you want to send a tip, a holiday tip on over to me, that is in the description of the video as well as down there in the live chat. All tips are, while they're not mandatory, they are appreciated. Mr. Ingram, thank you very much. Appreciate that. Mr. Brickson, thank you. I appreciate it. Diesel Dan, thank you. I appreciate it. You guys are awesome. So yes, the tip jar has been blessed. Thank you guys. I appreciate you. Oh, there we go. There we go. She's got life in her yet, Pebbles.
Yeah. Well, I'm in it. Again.
Are you in it?
Yeah.
You're a beast, Pebbles. Look at that. What price did you get in at?
880.
Nice. Good for you. He is paper trading, of course, ladies and gentlemen.
This is true.
We encourage everybody to use their simulated accounts so that you're not losing any money. You're simply training. Yep. Be careful with that. All right. Yeah, that's some good volume in there. This thing's getting ready to go back up. You can tell because of the flickering, right? You can tell because of how much this is kind of flickering up and down. That lets you know there's volume in there. If it's dead, you saw what it looked like. It was dead. There was nothing in there.
Right.
But when you start to see movement like that, that means volume's coming in. We don't want this moving up, though, because that means support's moving up. This is where I would shed or get out here.
Okay.
I'm so addicted. I was supposed to be leaving. I'm so addicted. All right. Everybody have, huh?
It is addicting after
It's
a while.
addictive, right? All right. You guys have a fantastic night. I'm going to end this session with Coach's Rules as I normally do. And, don't go rogue. Don't go rogue. Everybody have a wonderful night. Peace and blessings. And I will see you guys in the morning. Remember, tomorrow the market is closed at 1 p.m. So any trading that you do tomorrow, you won't see anything settled until Thursday. But yeah, tomorrow is a half day at the market. So it's going to be a short day, probably a volatile one. So be very careful. Love you guys. Love your faces. Have a good night.
Nobody go rogue. Some of the rules that we have to and live and die by in here is do not lose more than 1 to 3% of your total account value in any given day. Make sure you have stop losses on each and every trade, regardless of shares and or options. Make sure you guys are practicing small base hits. Don't go for home runs. Allow the runners to run and stop out the losers. If you're a new trader, make sure you are paper trading using a simulated trading system such as Webull or some of the other ones that are out there. Also, if you're a newer trader, please don't trade in the first 30 minutes or the last hour of the day. Those are the most dangerous times. If you are an expert trader, please make sure you also are being careful the first 3 minutes and the last 8 to 9 minutes of the day. Those are the absolute most volatile times in the entire market.